It's changed quite radically, actually. I think in the early days, people really just needed storage for editing purposes or to keep an archive on or what have you. And I think really over the last few years, it's been really central and gets abused, if you like, by pretty much every computer and every person within an organisation. So being able to deliver to every different possible use within an organisation is really what's changed. Yeah, I think it's really anybody who uses media, and this is a massive market. Obviously, I would always say that the broadcast industry is our traditional market, so to speak. But we have so many varied customers who are using media of some description. The more obvious ones, like ad agencies and what have you, but you've got corporates who take all of their video in-house. Even hospitals are now filming for training and for protection purposes of operations. And it's just a massive varied market, really. The big challenge, I think, for traditional ways of solving certainly central storage has been very restrictive, because you have to have a client software on everything that interacts with the storage, and because there's so many different systems that have to work on the central storage, this can be really prohibitive. Managing that client software and keeping everything up to date and not allowing things to go above a certain operating system, etc., can be really troublesome. So being able to really just slot in and work is massively important for our customers. The tiered storage, as in having different types of storage for different purposes, we allow our customers to be incredibly flexible. So our product will work in conjunction with pretty much any other storage product out there. We have a number of built-in free tools that allow you to manage media between other storage pools, including ourselves. There are obviously advantages when using GB Labs solutions end-to-end, but by really making this incredibly simple to manage, it allows our customers not to have to spend huge amounts of money on the most expensive tier, and allows them to really manage that through simply and easily. The buzzword of hybrid storage really needs to be turned into a reality of workflow. And I think with most things, there's an excitement about joining, you're in on-prem and off-site and in cloud storage. And I think really making useful and tangible workflows for that is really what's next. Certainly we've had the technology to link all of those together for many, many years now. And really with the advent of our Mosaic software, for example, that really helps you to start to be able to manage what's going on those different areas of your storage.